and they were getting blocked up. Too thick of toilet paper was the issue. They're switching, and I've seen that they purchased some Scott's, which is good, to replace the Charmin. But I came here today. We installed this clean out yesterday, and I seen they're already starting to plug here. And what I noticed was that's the bottom of the pipe to this side. See that paper right there? So there. Pull it back that way a little so it bends, so I can go up. Here, hold this down. I'm just gonna get this to go. Back up into the cast iron. There you go. Now you can see the cast iron right there. Another big old rag right there. It's hanging on to that cast. So this is the main line, all right? And here, this is the bottom. Camera head is spun because of the angle I'm going at. And this is the part we didn't inspect. It's very rough, some big pieces of scale in there. It may, a lot of chunks in here. It's coming from the other bathroom right there. So it is chunky. It may need jetted, but initially they should be able to keep it open with only single ply, body waste, soap and water. This doesn't look as bad. That's going to go all the way up to the main vent stack, 31 feet away. So what worries me is seeing some big chunky scale through here, and the paper obviously worries me because that's what will actually block it up, not the scale. Paper catching on it. Just going backwards, kind of show you. So this is the part of the pipe we didn't see, but it's more of the same with what we've seen on the other side. I'm also gonna, but that, see, this stuff is just staying together. It just cannot go in this drain line or there's going to be problems. It's not going to work its way through. It's going to catch on the pipe like that. That's the old clean out. So we got this open. Here's our new clean out. We've just inspected the main line from here all the way to the main vent stack. We're going to go back in there to the toilet, inspect that.